You can order the mass airflow sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Now you can see the mass airflow sensor located above the airbox. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the two bolts holding the mass airflow sensor. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Finish removing the sensor by hand. To do this, simply pull on it. You can order the mass airflow sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new mass airflow sensor. Insert the sensor into its housing. Reinsert the mass airflow sensor retaining bolts and tighten them first by hand. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Plug the electrical connector back in. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.